香港島環島徑挑戰咧已經喺2020年開始啦，咁連續6年咁樣舉行。至今咧，亦都有超過3000位嘅參加者參加我哋嘅活動啦。希望可以令到更加多人去做一個步行嘅活動啦，亦都希望令到港島環島徑咧成為一個街知巷聞嘅一個行山徑嘅。港島環島徑入邊有好多交通便利嘅地點咧，都可以直達港島環島徑嘅。希望藉住今次嘅活動咧，令到更加多人環港島行一圈啦。當中有好多歷史嘅故事啦，都想俾更加多人去知道，原來我哋嘅環境係咁需要去被保護咁樣。
This year, we are delighted to celebrate a record-breaking participation of 1,133 people, with 97 in the leisure category and 161 in the racing category, marking our highest turnout ever.
咁我一開頭其實都會覺得，哇，65K 哇，其實比一個全馬係更加多啦，更加辛苦，因為除咗平路之外，仲要去上山咁樣。因為呢一段時間都跟咗松 Sir， 都學咗好多嘢，我都覺得可以試一試啊，可能去挑戰自己啊，亦都會覺得圍繞港島徑跑一個圈係一個對我嚟講係少少嘅成就。
For me, the meaning of this event, actually, that's why I always want to join, because make me feel strong, make me feel happy, young. I never give up. Every day, go walking, go running, hiking. But most of my event now is running.
覺得今次個意義係即係認識咗港島環島徑所有嘅部分。今年我哋第2年參加，但係今年參加就再深入多啲了解，因為有啲地方我哋如果唔係因為呢個比賽，可能真係都唔會去嗰啲地方。
同埋都值得推介俾其他人嘅，未試過參加嘅都可以積極考慮，一個非常之有趣好玩嘅 event 嚟嘅。
一嚟咧，我都想係可能再挑戰，將自己嗰個紀錄時間推進啦。二嚟都係一個幾好嘅形式去同朋友一齊去跑啊。
We can join our friends too. Come to join us next year.